Hi, let's take a walk. This is Imam Street. It's downtown around the historical sites. They're tourists, if you noticed. I don't know the language. This wasn't English or Farsi. I'm not gonna talk a lot in this video, that's a lie. This is Hazireh Mosque. It's one of the famous mosques in this city. Kid insisting on buying something to her parents. That's a scene you see all over the world. Okay, I started going fast in this piece and almost got hit by a car. That's the car, yeah. So, thanks for the support. Just showing you how much effort I put into this. And there's another civilized man with his car in the sidewalk. Come on, man. And in front of us is this fat girl. Just called her fat on purpose. So to show you that fat is not an insult or something. That's just what I think. Open to argue. Offering this perfume samples. The kid in the stroller. This other kid with their mom. You're colorful. Oh, that's not nice. Maybe it was a trash can in front of her. We don't know. Daydreaming about buying some gold. Some terme. Terme is one of the souvenirs of Yazd. It's a kind of clothing. Hey kid. Kids are afraid of me. I don't like that. It wasn't like this. That's what growing up does to you. Okay, that's loud. Sure. Okay guys, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching until the end. Comment me if you want anything in particular in the videos. Coming through. Okay, nice. And that's it.